Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can install apps to your Motorola Moto G72. For that you want to go to your Play Store and then if you open it you have here for you suggested apps or games for you. You can scroll up and down to look through it. You have top charts, apps for kids, events, premium apps and different categories. Down here you have games, then apps, and here you have books, audio books, genres, top selling, new releases. You can look through it and then download whatever you would like. You also can look for apps through this search bar here and then just put in the app you want to download. We're gonna download Lieferando now. It's takeaway, and then you have more information here and also reviews about the app. And then if you want to install it, you just click on install. And now the app is installed. You can directly uninstall it here or open it through this button. But if we go back to our home screen, Lieferando will pop up here. And then if you click on it, you can, well, order food and log in and use the app. So yeah, that's how you install apps to your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time.